Let me ask you something. Why do some people rise from nothing, no family money, no lucky break, and somehow end up financially free, while others, even with good jobs, stay stuck month after month? It's not luck. It's not talent. It's understanding how wealth is actually built from zero. And once you understand this, you'll never see money the same way again. Stay till the end, because by the last minute of this video, you'll know exactly what steps to start today to move from surviving to growing to finally winning. Most people think wealth starts with money, but that's not true. Wealth starts with behavior, with a simple shift in how you make every financial decision. You see, most of us were never taught how to handle money. We were taught how to earn it, but not how to keep it, grow it, or multiply it. Think about it. You work hard, your paycheck comes in, and within days, it's gone. Bills, groceries, subscriptions, a small treat, and suddenly you're back at zero. If this sounds like your life, this video is for you. Because today, you'll learn how to escape that cycle and start building wealth even if your balance right now is nothing. In the next few minutes, I'll show you the 3 unseen stages of wealth, the exact mindset shift the rich use when they have nothing, and a realistic plan to grow from zero, no matter your income. Ready? Let's begin. Let's start here. Zero is not failure. Zero is clarity. Zero means you finally see where you stand. People who stay broke see zero as the end. People who build wealth see zero as the starting line. When you have nothing, your biggest advantage is that you can design your habits from scratch. No bad investments, no expensive lifestyle to protect, no image to maintain. The key is to stop chasing money and start chasing value. Ask yourself, how can I become more valuable in the marketplace? Because money doesn't flow to effort. It flows to value creation. Every skill you build, every piece of knowledge you learn, every hour spent improving your craft is a silent deposit into your future wealth. That's where real wealth starts, inside you. Now, let's turn that mindset into movement. Every wealthy person, no matter how rich they look today, built their life on one formula: E, S, G. Earn, save, grow. Let's break it down. First, E, earn. Build your cash flow engine. If you have zero, your first goal is not to get rich. It's to get consistent. Even a small, stable income is fuel. Ask, how can I increase my earning ability? Maybe it's learning a high-demand digital skill, freelancing, or creating a small side hustle online. The key, don't chase a quick dollar. Chase repeatable income. If you can earn $10, you can earn 100. If you can earn 100, you can scale it to 1,000. Next is S, save. Create breathing room. Here's what most people never do. When your income grows, your lifestyle should not. Even if you save just 10% in the beginning, you're training your brain for discipline. Your first $100 saved isn't so about the amount. It's proof that you can delay gratification. That discipline is wealth's foundation. Finally, G, grow. Make money work for you. Once you have savings, your next step isn't spending. It's multiplying. You don't need thousands to invest. You can start with micro investments, fractional shares, or even compounding savings accounts. The rich don't wait until they have money to start investing. They start small, but they start early. Time, not timing, builds wealth. Once your earn, save, grow system is in motion, you have to protect it from your worst enemy, yourself. We all have that impulse, the I deserve it moment. That's why the wealthy don't rely on willpower. They rely on systems. Set up automatic transfers the day your income arrives. 10% to savings, 10% to investments, 10% to growth or skill building. Make it invisible. If you don't see it, you won't spend it. Let automation do the discipline for you. That's how average earners turn into consistent builders. Wealth is not built by intensity. It's built by consistency. Now here's a secret that changes everything. Every month, increase your savings or investment rate by just 1%. That's it. 1%. It is small enough to not hurt, but powerful enough to transform your wealth within a year. In 12 months, you'll be saving or investing 12% more than today, without even feeling it. The wealthy don't make big leaps. They make small, repeatable gains. Most people stay broke not because they can add up earn, but because they believe they need a miracle first. They wait for one big break, a raise, a new job, a better economy. But wealth never starts with luck. It starts with a decision. The decision to stop letting your circumstances define you and start defining your future, one small, smart choice at a time. If you can manage $100 wisely, you can manage 100,000 wisely. The number doesn't change the mindset. The mindset changes the number. After this video, do 3 things immediately. 1. Write down your total income and total expenses. Know your real zero. 2. Find one skill you can learn this month that can earn you even $10 online. 3. Automate one small transfer, even if it asks $5 a week, to your future self. Start small, but start now. Momentum is stronger than motivation. If this video opened your eyes, even a little, hit like right now. Because that click tells YouTube to show this message to others who need it. And if you're serious about building wealth from zero, not someday, but starting today, then subscribe and tap the bell. We rebuilding a community of people who didn't wait for change. They create it. Share this video with one friend who's stuck and needs a spark. You might just change their entire future. Remember, you don't need money to start building wealth. You just need the decision to start. Your zero is not the end. It's your beginning.